Today, we're going to show you how to change older Toyota Key batteries. And we've got an older Toyota Key right here. And congratulations to you if you've got an older Toyota vehicle that's still running. Great, reliable vehicles and keep them on the road. So we're going to show you how to change this Toyota Key Fob battery. They do require a CR 2016 battery. We've got a link to those in the description below, so check that out. And then there is a little tab right here. So you're going to take that tab, you're going to insert your screwdriver in there, and you're just going to pop and pry that open. And before you get it all the way open, I recommend you flip this over so the buttons don't come out on the key fob battery, because it just saves you a little time and aggravation. And then finish opening this up with those buttons face down, otherwise those can fall out. Now we got to pry out the battery module in here. Just insert your screwdriver, pops out really nice and easy, no problems there. And then on this, it's got a little thing that says use a coin to open. You just look for where the ledge is on these older Toyota keys, and you're going to take your screwdriver again, you're going to pop that open, and that's going to give you access to that battery compartment. So just pry, it comes out pretty easily there. And now we've got access to that battery compartment. You can see it does take that CR 2016. So once again, now we're just going to pry and open this up. Pop that CR 2016 battery out of the older Toyota Key, and then we're going to put in our new CR 2016 battery. Gently slide this in there up against the spring. You want to put a little pressure on it and then push down, and then you can pull back. And you want to be gentle, because if you've got an older Toyota vehicle, the plastic starts to get brittle on these. So just be gentle in this part of the process. You don't want to break these little battery tabs. It becomes a little bit of an issue if you do. Now we're going to take our cover, we're going to put that back onto the key compartment and battery compartment there. We're going to put that back into the key right here, slide that all in place, and we're going to put our cover back on for our older Toyota vehicles. And now you can see that is how you change the key fob battery for older Toyota cars, SUVs, trucks. If you've got a key like this where it's got 4 buttons, or it's got 3 buttons or 2 buttons, really it just matters the key shape. So this is for those older Toyota vehicles, and this is what the newer Toyota vehicles look like. So if you've got one that's got this key shape like this instead of this key shape like this video will show you how to do that. So thanks for watching this video on how to change your Toyota Key Fob batteries. Greatly appreciate you. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, click any links below, and it does help support the channel when you do any of that, or if you purchase one of the batteries from the links we've got in the description for that CR 2016. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.